Good morning, Lily. Good morning. How was your night? How did you sleep? Did you sleep good? What you staring at? Look at you just staring at that camera. You are such a silly baby. He's still staring at it? Why are you staring at it? Why? Hi. Good morning. Good morning, precious girl. You still staring at that camera? You look a little sketched out by that camera. Why are you so sketched out? What's wrong? Is the paparazzi after you? They're after you again? Oh, no. Oh, that's horrible. Just mean mug it. Just mean mug it. Say no paparazzi. No paparazzi. I love you.